Dear students, today in this video lecture I am going to explain about the relationship between mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean through Suganya economics. Dear students, in the previous class I have explained about the relationship between mean, median and mode. Today we are going to discuss about the relationship between mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. So here already we have discussed about what do you mean by mean, what do you mean by geometric mean, what do you mean by harmonic mean. So now I am going to explain about the relationship between mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. So the first relationship is if all the items in a variable are one and the same. So at that time arithmetic mean is equal to geometric mean and that is equal to harmonic mean. If all the items given in the given series is equal, all these three values are coincide with each other. That is arithmetic mean is equal to geometric mean and geometric mean is equal to harmonic mean. Suppose the second thing, if the size varies, that is if the given values are not equal and it will differ with each other, so at that time arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean and geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. So these are the two important relationships between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Now I have proved the relationship with the help of an example. So first you take the proof for first example. First example, if all the values of the items are one and the same. Suppose in an x series there are two values are given, that is we are having 6 and 6. Two values. Here these two values are equal, right? So first you have to calculate arithmetic mean. First you have to calculate arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean equal, that is x bar equal to sigma x by n. So sigma x equal to 6 plus 6 12, that is divided by 2 number of item 2, that is equal to 6. So x bar equal to 6. Then you have to calculate geometric mean. Geometric mean equal to under root of product of n item, that is here 6 into 6, so that is equal to under root of 36. If you remove root for 36, that is equal to 6. Then you have to calculate harmonic mean. So harmonic mean equal to, so here harmonic mean equal to reciprocal of the arithmetic average of the reciprocal of various items. So here two items are given 6 and 6. So now here you can take n by, the formula is n by sigma 1 by x. N by sigma 1 by x is the formula for calculating harmonic mean. So here n equal to here 2, n equal to 2. So sigma 1 by x, here 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So that is equal to 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 by 6. So now you can transfer the value here, that is equal to 2 into 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 12 by 2, so that is equal to 6. So here also you can take the harmonic mean value is equal to 6. So now if the given values are equal, x bar, that is arithmetic mean is equal to geometric mean and that is equal to harmonic mean. All these three values are one and the same, right? Suppose if the given values are varies, now I am proving the second condition. If the given values are varies, suppose for example here under x you are having 4 and 9, right? So now you have to calculate all these three values. So here x bar equal to sigma x by n, so that is equal to 4 plus 9 divided by 2, that is equal to 13 divided by 2, so that is equal to 6.5. So x bar equal to 6.5. X bar equal to 6.5. So now I will explain about the calculation of geometric mean. So geometric mean equal to GM equal to under root of the product of these two values. So 4 into 9, so that is equal to 4 into 9, that is equal to 36 under root of 36, so that is equal to 6. So geometric mean equal to 6. Geometric mean equal to 6. Now you take the calculation of harmonic mean. Harmonic mean, HM harmonic mean equal to the reciprocal of these two numbers. That is, the formula is n by sigma 1 by x. Sigma 1 by x. So that is equal to n is 2 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9. So here that is equal to 2 divided by here 1 by 13 plus 2 divided by here you take 4 into 9 36. So here how many 4s are in 36? That is equal to 9. So plus 4. So that is equal to 2 divided by 13. That should be divided by 36. So now that is equal to 2 into 36 divided by 13. So that is equal to 72 divided by 13. So now you can divide 72 by 13. 72 divided by 13, that is equal to 5.5 you take. So here harmonic mean equal to 5.5. Now you can compare the three values. So here x bar is equal to 6.5, geometric mean is equal to 6, and the harmonic mean equal to 5.5. So x bar is greater than geometric mean, and geometric mean is greater than the harmonic mean. So these are all the relationship between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Thank you. Dear students, kindly go through the video and understand the concept, that is relationship between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean clearly, and study well. Those who are not subscribing to Spoken Economics, kindly subscribe and click the bell button, then only you will get intimation about the video when we are uploading. Thank you friends.